Driving by Inglewood Row Gallery and Art Space, you may not know the storied history inside.
In 1920, he hired Walt Disney to augment his, staff of artists.
That's A. Scott Cauger, the owner of the gallery, talking about how Walt Disney got his start right here, hired by Cauger's grandfather.
He wasn't the best artist, but he was very versatile and he was very energetic and he was willing to do anything.
Cauger says that's why this building holds such a special place in his heart and this community.
I noticed that you had everything on the walls that you need to be featured artists.
And why partnering with the Independent School District to grow budding artists is a perfect collaboration.
They can come into a gallery, learn about gallery operations, learn about the business and administration of a gallery, and at the same time tutor under professional artists to help expand their skills into new genre, new styles.
Being able to have this kind of opportunity as a high schooler, it was really amazing. I was really excited about it.
The students say they are inspired by other artists who work in the space.
This one is one of my favorites. I call it Happy to Be Here.
Even getting to display their art in the gallery.
I was excited about getting my work up because I'm proud of what I've done here. I'm proud of everything that I've done, so I'm excited to have other people, see it.
Haley Ferguson says it's been an incredible experience and is shaping her future.
I feel like I can move on as a better artist because I feel like that everything that I've learned here has helped improve my skills, and I feel like that my artwork will be now known to the world.
In addition to creating art in the gallery and displaying their work, the students also have lessons in copyright, business law, contracts, customer service, marketing, advertising, and how to host gallery events, including art walks. They've even learned how to create a website and social media pages to sell their work as they hone their craft.
It's really fun here, and I get to learn more from other artists.
These internships offered to Independent School District students during the school day as part of the ISD Academies. This unique educational model preparing all ISD high school students for college and careers through experiential learning opportunities and internships like this one.
The more advice I get, the better my art gets.
Kiara Puente is interested in animation. She says it was powerful when she learned she is working in the very same place that Walt Disney started his craft in 1920.
It was very exciting. I didn't know how to express it in words.
Inglewood Row Gallery and Art Space, home to aspiring artists that may one day look back on this opportunity, where, like Walt Disney, they got their start.
Good. You did a great job.